This time we will learn about burst in ZWCAD. Burst is command to convert flexiblock and extract the content into text. This command useful for extract or convert flexi-box into plain text in ZWCAD. Let's dig in. You can see many of the flexiblock contains room name of the plan. We want this room name to be normal text so that we can easily control the properties of the text. With flexiblock, we can change the name room easily from properties. But if we explode the block, the text will remain attribute definition, not the contain itself. That's why we will use burst command to extract the text from flexiblock. Now type burst. Select flexiblock that you want to convert to text and press enter. Now room name in flexiblock will become normal text. When you double-click this text, you can edit the text without open flexiblock properties. And we can change text style directly. Now let's try another flexiblock. You can see this object properties as block. Now type burst, select the flexiblock and press enter. Then select recent object. You will found that the properties will become text. Use ma command to apply the same style from other text.
Subscribe, like and share if this video useful. Thanks for watching.